In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently close your PayPal account. If for one reason or another you want to close your PayPal account, the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. And as you can see, I am at the home page of my PayPal account. Now from here, you need to go to settings, and you can find settings using this gear button. Tap on it. And this will open your account details, displaying all the details you have, such as your email, phone number, your name, and even address. So if you scroll down here, you can see we have an option called close your account. So to close account, just tap on close account option here. And then you'll get this notice asking you if you're sure you want to close your account. And at the bottom here, you can see we have an option called close account. And now one thing before you close your account, you have to note that PayPal warns you that once it's closed, you won't be able to use this PayPal account or see your past transaction. And also one fundamental thing is that it can't be reopened. So you have to note that this is a permanent action and you won't be able to reverse it. So make sure that you are sure of your action before you go ahead and close your account. So if you go ahead and tap on close account, it will proceed to the next page where if you have amount that you want to withdraw that is available in your account, you can make a withdrawal and then confirm your closing by entering your password, and then confirm your action by taking the final step to close the account. So that's how you close your PayPal account with ease. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.